Hello, good. Halt. Present.
Thank you guys so much for being out here and for doing what you're doing. What you're participating in today is a ride that benefits a program that's been in 24-hour uninterrupted operation since 1984. I'm a Mobile boy. I had to leave home for some nefarious reasons and went to Houston, Texas. And there in 1984, I took a troubled kid in. And it became more kids and more kids and more kids. And Youth Reach Houston was born. And then we came out and looked at what was happening in the Mobile, Baldwin County area. And in 2003 began to develop a program here, opened in 2008. It is an 81-acre facility that you'll be at today, eating shrimp and enjoying the beautiful campus that we have there that has just been provided by the community. We don't take any government money. We don't charge the boys or the families that come. We depend on the community, people like you, organizations, businesses, corporations, foundations, churches that come together and say, we want to do something about the way we're losing our young people.
Number 256, William Frazier. Congratulations, brother.